Clearmore 310 SC. Topramazole plus atrazine active ingredient na mga kamais. Features bird effects spectrum non-selective systemic false emergent herbicide effective against broadleaf seeds and grasses including ate problema tayo maruot ti kamaysan. Parades. No weed growth due to systemic action. It kills the entire weeds up to the root. Oh, nagmaya dating panruot mga kapadyan. How to use? 2 liters per hectares or 165 ml per 16 liters tank load. 12 tank load per hectares. Timing of application, 15 DAP. Mayak, datoy.